Welcome to Steven's Garage. Today, I'm going to be doing a cabin air filter on my 2008 Toyota Prius. Bought it from the junkyard, and I was just doing a routine checkup on everything, and noticed it didn't have one. So I picked up a Fram CF9846A. It's got the charcoal in it. It's right here, and I'll be showing you how to put it in. Don't need any tools. Just open your glove box. On the side right here, you pop the shock off, and then you squeeze the sides in to pull it out, just like that. It's located right behind this cover. Just pull on each of the tabs, pull out the little tray, and this is where your cabin air filter should be. And I'm pretty sure this is for all 2004 through 2009 Toyota Priuses. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it in here, just like such. Slide this back into place. Clips. Make sure your glove box is on these little points right here. Let's go up. Make sure you don't forget the shock. Triangling it down, holding the side right here. Just push it back on. And then squeeze the sides again to get it to go up and in there. And that's it. That's how to replace your cabin air filter in a Prius. Thank you for watching.